We got the 2019 Kona, and it has the headlight out. I'm going to show you how to replace that bulb. There's basically two access points to do this. So this isn't the headlight. It's this lower one here you'd think would be a fog light, but that's the headlight. You can see that cover right there. That is the headlight cover. And you can see there's also a door right there, which is right here in the fender. See, there's a clip right there, and that's an access door to it. But I'm just going to see if I can get it from the top. Since I already have the hood open, and it's not really that bad for being cramped. So you just turn it this way to unlock it and pull out that cover. I can feel the bulb. So let's open that door just so you can get a better look. Right, so we got the pen's not going to do it. We're going to do a little screwdriver here to pop this. There actually is tools for that, but this works just fine. Drop something. So you get that out. And you should be able to just pull that away. And there we go. You can see the bulb right there. So it looks like we should turn it like this. And that should pop it out. Let me try my strong hand. There we go. A little half turn. And then here's the bulb. Right now we're just gonna pull this. See the silver like disc? We're gonna pull that up. Because that whole thing comes. It's just two prongs. So we get our new bulb. I'll put a glove on so we don't touch the lens. You don't want to touch lenses on these bulbs. We'll leave grease on there, overheat, and it'll burn out right away. In place to set the camera. So we got the new bulb. Now there is a little notch right here. See the little difference there? Fit it just like that with that notched part that goes into the notch in the plastic. Bump the button. I'm missing my mark. Kind of hard to see because I'm trying to hold the camera in there and just kind of feel. There we go. You make sure all the metals will on this middle part, plastic's all underneath that metal tabs all around. It's like 3 spots. So once you have it in there, that back on. Do it where my clip went. It's right here. Clip back in like that. I mean, I could have put the door cover on there before. Put that in just from this side, but I'll just lower it and do it then. Cover back on down here. Just gonna kind of feel for it. There it goes. cover's on. And now the final is just see that the headlight comes on. It's looking like the headlight's working now. Headlight, fog light, headlight, daytime running light. So pretty simple to do. Do a like, thumbs up, subscribe.